The most beautiful beach. How much is that room over there?
3,200 per night with
3,400, 200 per night. Some of you maybe know this beach because you've been here in Bantayan, but I'm going to show you where we are staying, guys. This beach is really beautiful, guys. You should watch until the end of this video because you will not gonna regret this view, and it will going to make you feel like, oh, I wanna visit this island someday. So I'm gonna show you guys. So that's actually the guardhouse area and that's the concierge area, everybody. So you're going to check yourself in there. And actually they're selling swimsuits also, or like something for the beach. Yes, so we're wearing this. I love wearing this, guys, because I feel like more so super comfortable. And actually they have that, guys. Actually they're way more cheaper over there if you're gonna stay. And this is we are here currently in Kota Beach Resort. So that area, guys, is the parking lots area. Parking lots area, everyone. Actually, guys, I really don't know how much is that cost in there. I'm gonna ask. Oh, shh. Hello. May I ask? How much is that room over there?
3,200 per night with
3,400, 200 per night. Then how much the one in the beach area, in the beachfront?
yung beachfront suite, the first one and second one
Mm.
is 5,700 per night.
Ah.
The third and fourth is 5,200 per night.
Okay.
Beachfront suite and beachfront cottage.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys. So you already know that you can save a lot if you are going to stay over there. But if you're gonna stay along with in the beach area, you can save more. Yes. I know. It's way more expensive there, guys. But it's really nice when you are at the beach area like that. So here, guys, on the very beachfront is actually way more expensive compared here. So here it's like 5,200 and this one is like 5,700. So you'll pay more if you are staying in the beachfront. So last time, guys, we're staying in that area. And right now we are very super close to the beach. Yes. So like if you are going to move here or going to visit this everyone and then you wanna feel relaxed and you don't need to worry for like going somewhere taking your scooter just to go in the beach, then stay in this place. Because you can actually search it, guys, Kota Beach Resort, or you could try to check in also, but sometimes they are fully booked. You need to make sure also that they are not, because you really don't know. So it's better just book it on online, book it in advance, so that you'll know that you don't need to find somewhere to stay, because especially your preference is like along in the beach areas. And actually, guys, the breakfast is free as well. Yeah, and actually that area is the restaurant, bar areas, so where you can eat, and it's actually they have a complimentary breakfast. And that one, guys, if you notice, that actually the Sandbar. So usually like around 4 p.m. it's really looking super nice in there. So Sandbar areas. Yeah. So we're just staying there, right there over one, and then here. Sometimes, guys, in life we deserve to bring ourselves in the beach because nature heals. You don't need to watch all the time in social media. Just bring it on reality, because life is too short to make it real. So we're actually staying that place, and we are very very close to the beach. Like we are just facing in the beach area, so like beach front. So I'm going to show you inside, everyone. Put my shoes in there, and that is me. We're wearing white one, and then this is the front door. We are staying all four. Wow, guys, it's looking super amazing. And you got some huge mirror in here. my bag over there. And this is the room, guys. Wow, looking super, super nice, guys. I love it here. And that is the bed. You got this. And you have air conditioning as well. And over there, we're just very, very close to the beach, guys, which is super nice. And this one, where you can store your drinks. And of course, guys, this is the bathroom or comfort room. So they have hot shower over there. Look, hot shower, shampoo, body wash, and tabo. If Filipino Filipino usually do have use that a tabo, guys. You know, it's very common here in the Philippines. And you got this lavatory and small mirror over here, soap for hand soap, and towels. This looking super amazing. You know what, guys? It's so a privilege, a big privilege for me to be able to experience this kinds of life. Like I able to see this view every morning, but not every morning, guys. Just during this vacation, you know, because we are not rich enough to leave the island and living like this. So that's why I'm sharing you guys my experience over here. And of course, you got some closet over here as well. So looking super amazing, guys. Where to stay if you're going to visit here in Bantayan Island. So show everybody. God bless us all.